Did you know the King and Queen of France almost escaped death but were caught because of money? In 1791, King Louis XVI and Queen Marie Antoinette were trapped in Paris during the French Revolution. Angry crowds wanted their heads, so they hatched a desperate plan. For months, they secretly prepared to flee to Austria, where Marie's brother ruled. Louis disguised himself as a lowly servant. Marie dressed as a governess. Their children posed as commoners. On a dark June night, they slipped out of their palace and into a waiting carriage. For hours, they raced through the French countryside. 200 miles they traveled, almost reaching the Austrian border in safety. But then disaster struck in the small town of Varennes. Louis stopped to eat and change horses. The local postmaster took one look at his face and gasped. He had seen that same face printed on French coins. The king was captured and dragged back to Paris in chains. This escape attempt convinced everyone that Louis was plotting with foreign enemies. 2 years later, both he and Marie lost their heads to the guillotine.